Do you think we are overestimating what AI can do for us or underestimating what it could do for us?
Good question.
So in the current, like the solutions out there, I think it's an overstatement of what the true benefit is. But I think if we, when the like in the .com era, and we get the dust to settle, like and we start applying it in the most effective way, I think we may be underestimating where the true power is. It's just that the conversation isn't in the in the right zone about like where do we deploy it and where do we get you know the benefits from it. So I think it's going to be a game changer, but it's partly going back to kind of like how I think of even flow. Like I said, we're like the enabler of the service manager. So if you think of agentic AI, how could you harness that to enable like the fixed ops director, the service manager of like all facets of the, in combinations with humans, because there's no replacement in some things with humans, but it's like, how do you scale it? I think it could be immensely powerful, but that's not just where the conversation is today, though.
Yeah. No, I agree. I mean, it's going to be real valuable at warehousing, merchandising, parts distribution, connected services. I think AI there'll be a big play there, but you can't eliminate the human side. Still need technicians and people to talk to. I mean, yeah.
Well, like I said, in my own business, Evenflow, right? Like I'm pretty sure I got like the best solution out there.
What I saw, you did, yeah.
But it doesn't matter if I don't build trust and establish a relationship with the service manager, right? Like it means nothing. So that's why it's at least 50% people, 50% technology.
Everything we do, the first and foremost is relationships.
Yeah.
If you can establish a relationship with him or her and build a foundation of trust and transparency, then they're not going to believe you, nor are they going to buy in or buy from you.
Yeah. And I think service managers have said this, but I've seen it, and I think this is more a truism, is that it's an understanding that like not everything's going to go well. And I usually tell a service manager when we go live is like somewhere in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to really mess you up with something. Like, I don't know what it is, or obviously I would not do it, but like, we're going to mess you up. But what's important is like when things get messed up is how do we recover from it? And, and that's part of the trust, or the relationship, because that's like in everything. Like I probably could say the same thing to my wife, is that at some point I'm going to mess you up. Hopefully it's not too many times, but like I mess her up, but it's like, how do I recover from that and make it better?